Hi everyone, welcome to the official TradeAdapter channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your TradingView strategies with MetaTrader 5 and FXTM using TradeAdapter to automate your trades. Before we start, let me show you how this works. TradingView generates the buy and sell signals. TradeAdapter receives those alerts and converts them into real orders. FXTM executes the trades directly on your account. That's the full automation flow. Let's get started. We'll begin by creating a demo account on FXTM. To do this, click on Practice MT5, select the Create MT5 password option, and continue. Enter your trading password. This will be the password you use to access the account in MetaTrader. Once everything is ready, copy the account number and the password you created and store them in a safe place. The next step is to log in to our new MetaTrader 5 account. In the left panel, open the navigator, right-click on Accounts, and select Log into Trade Account. In the pop-up window, select the server provided by FXTM. Enter your MT5 account number in the login field, add your trading password, and log in. With the account now linked to MT5, the next step is to add our expert advisor. To do that, open the TradeAdapter website, go to the instructions section, and select MT5 Setup. Once the page loads, you'll find the latest EA version available for download, developed by our team. Inside MT5, go to File and select Open Data folder. This will open a directory where we navigate to MQL5, then Experts, and finally Advisors. In that location, we paste the EA we just downloaded. Back in MT5, open the Navigator panel, right-click on Expert Advisors, and select Refresh to update the list. Next, on the top menu, open Tools and click on Options. Go to the Expert Advisors tab and enable the following options. Allow algorithmic trading and allow web request for the listed URL. Remember that it's very important to enable algo trading in the top toolbar so you can avoid any errors later on. The next step is to review the Expert Advisor settings. Under the Common tab, make sure that the Allow Algo Trading option is enabled, so the Expert Advisor can operate without any issues. Within the EA settings, we also need to fill in the API field. To do this, go to the My Profile section on the TradeAdapter website and copy your API key. Finally, add the symbol we are going to trade. Make sure the same symbol is also added in MetaTrader 5, and that's it. Now that MetaTrader 5 is ready, let's go to TradingView and add the XAU-USD pair. Next, let's open the Indicators menu. In the search bar, look for Buy-Sell Signal, which we'll be using as our example for generating trading signals in this setup. Once the indicator is attached to the chart, you'll see the buy and sell signals appear. In the Alerts panel, click on Create Alert and make sure the condition is properly linked to your indicator. In this example, we'll start by setting up the alert for the BOI signal. Next, move to the Message tab, where we enter a clear and descriptive name for the alert, making it easy to identify later. To complete the final field, go to the TradeAdapter website, open the Instructions section, and look for the message generator specifically for MetaTrader. Since we're using an indicator, select the corresponding message generator. Then enter your MetaTrader account number and set the order size to 0.1 without take profit or stop loss, simulating a spot-style trade. After that, generate the message, copy it, and paste it directly into TradingView. Under the Notifications tab, make sure the webhook URL option is selected. You can find it in the TradeAdapter profile section. Now repeat the alert creation process, but with two important changes. In the condition field, select the sell signal, so the alert triggers on short signals. And when generating the message, change the order type from buy to sell to ensure correct execution in MetaTrader 5. After running the setup for a while, our strategy begins to generate signals on TradingView, and each of those signals is processed automatically through TradeAdapter. To verify that everything has been handled correctly, we can head over to the TradeAdapter website and open the My Trades section. Inside My Trades, we go to the MetaTrader tab, where all processed trades are displayed. Here we can review every order that was received, including the order type, the symbol, the execution price, and the broker's response. This allows us to confirm that each signal was properly converted into a valid MT5 instruction. Once we've confirmed that the trades were processed, the final step is to verify the execution directly on the broker side. Since we're using an FXTM demo account, we can open the FXTM trading dashboard and check the list of completed operations. And to complete the verification, we go back to MetaTrader 5 and open the History tab at the bottom of the platform. This section shows every executed order, allowing us to confirm that the trades sent from TradingView, processed by TradeAdapter, were successfully executed in our demo account. Got questions? Leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next tutorial.